Hello, welcome back to Areca channel, and in this video I will share with you our company update research for P&J. P&J severe short-term headwinds, a bright long-term outlook. And this is my contact if you would like to invest in Vietnam stock market. Please contact to me as mobile or email on the screen. And now here we move to the point. P&J company overview. P&J is leading a jewelry producer and retail in Vietnam with an extensive store network of 337 stores and 69 watch point of sale as July 2021. We expected jewelry retailing will continue to be P&J's future growth driver. And today, August 25, 2021, the current price of P&J is 89,000 Vietnam dong, and our target price, nearly target price, is 105,000 Vietnam dong. With the PE forward in 2021 is 25.9 times, and a return on equity is 26.2%. Okay, now we move to the new update. P&J key summary. We reiterate buy as we believe P&J will deliver strong long-term earning growth thanks to rising demand for fashion jewelry in Vietnam and P&J's dominant market leadership despite the current significant headwinds from COVID-19 in Vietnam. We lower our target price by 13% as we cut our aggregate 2021 forward to 2025 forward net profit after tax by 20% to reflect the negative economic impact of the current COVID-19 situation. We assume that social distancing restrictions in the South region, Hanoi and Da Nang, which account for 75% of P&J total gold stores, will start to ease in Q4 2021, which will enable P&J to gradually reopen its stores so that 90% of its stores will return to operation by year-end 2021. As such, we project a double-digit decline in the same-store sales in 2021, followed by double-digit increases in 2022 and to 2023. This projection, along with 25 to 40 new gold stores PA in 2021 forward to 2023 forward an improved products mix and operating leverages drive our strong 2022 forward to 2023 EPS growth. Downwards to our positive view, extended social distancing restrictions that could undermine consumer demand and store operations, lower than expected store expansion. Okay, that is key summary. Now we move to the detail. We expect P&J business performance to reach a bottom in Q3 and begin to recover in Q4 2021. As of July 2021, 80% of P&J Go stores were closed, most of which were in southern region, Hanoi and Da Nang. Due to tightened social distancing restrictions in August that are slated to extend until at least early September. We anticipate Q3 will be the bottom quarter of P&J in 2021. Q3 2021 forward retail revenue to plunge 70% year-on-year. Before its business starts to improve in Q4 2021 retail revenue to drop 30% year-on-year. The second, we believe a resilient mass affluent customer base and unscathed competitive advantage will stage a robust recovery for P&J once COVID-19 disruptions subside. We believe P&J customer base is more resilient against COVID-19 economic impact than the average population, which was evidenced by P&J positive SSSG in every month in 2020 except for March, April, and August due to the resurgence of COVID-19. This strength, as well as P&J superior design, production, and marketing capabilities, should enable to capture the lion's shares of potential recovery in fashion jewelry demand once COVID-19 disruption is in our view. The third, we expect store expansions to resume in Q4 2021. Given the current COVID-19 situation, we believe it is unlikely P&J will achieve its target for 40 to 45 new Go stores in 2021. Therefore, we project 25 new stores in 2021, with 13 already open in a 7-month 2021. We project another 40 new Go stores in each of 2022 and 2023 ongoing too. The third, P&J plan to expand a footprint in relative under-penetrated region such as Hanoi and tier two-third province, given that Ho Chi Minh City alone accounts for 20% of P&J current total store count, and second, COVID-19 heavy blow to the retail sector that will potentially provide more opportunities for P&J to secure quality locations and reasonable rents. This is detail of 7-month 2021 results. COVID-19 reins business more recovery momentum. The first, revenue. Due to the escalation of COVID-19 in Vietnam, especially in P&J's mainstay market of South, aggregate retail revenue in June-July plummeted 37% year-on-year, after surging 59% year-on-year in 5 months 2021. At the end of July 2021, 257 gold stores, as 80% of P&J total stores were under temporary closure. In 7 months 2021, P&J opened 13 gold stores, while closing 15 silver stores and 1 CAO fine store, luxury jewelry format. At the end of July 2021, P&J had 310 gold stores and 26 standalone silver stores and 69 shop-in-shop watch stores, 1 standalone Style by P&J store, in addition to 3 shop-in-shop stores located in within the P&J Next flagship formats, 3 CAO Fine Store and 3 P&J Art stores, showrooms for corporate gifts. For the wholesales, in accordance with a rebound in customer demand of jewelry, in our view. Here. And net profit after tax. Due to lower net interest expenses, thanks to lower borrowing rate, GPM, we estimate that retail GPM was flat year-on-year in the 7 months 2021. Meanwhile, blended GPM contracted due to a bigger revenue contribution from low-margin gold bar trading, and primarily thanks to operating leverage. Okay, to next slide. Revenue growth in other regions has been outpacing that of Ho Chi Minh City. Here we can see inside is 2018 and the outer is 2020. We can see the other region growth faster than Ho Chi Minh City. That distribute revenue for P&J, retail revenue for P&J. We can see the grow faster from southeast with the red color, and the north from 8% to 10%. Okay, to next slide. We cut our net profit after tax forecast as COVID-19 outbreaks far exceed our previous expectation. Yeah, and you can read on the screen information. And this is our VCSE comments on new 2021 forecast. We revised our goal jury SSSG to minus 13% in 2021 from 18% previously. In addition, we now project 25 new stores in 2021 compared to 40 stores previous, as we believe social distancing measure will hinder P&J store expansion plan. Based on our projection, P&J will reach a total of 324 gold stores by year end 2021. 369 total stores, if including other formats such as Silver Style by P&J Art, and CAO Fine. Wholesales, we lower our forecast as COVID-19 undermines the operation of mom and pop stores, P&J wholesale customers, and traditional gold jewelry demand. Gross profit, we project gold jewelry retail GPM will remain flat at close to 30%. And selling expense, we project selling expense as a percent of retail sale to advance 2.5 ppts to 15.9% in 2021, mainly due to negative SSSG. G&A expenses, similarly, we project G&A expenses as percent of retail sales to inch up by 30 pps to 5.1% in 2021. Non-operating item, net interest expenses to fall thanks to lower borrowing rate. 2022 forecast, robust business recovery, assuming reduced COVID-19 disruptions. We project gold jewelry SSSG to rebound to 22% compare a low 2021 forecast base. We project 40 new Go stores in 2022, which will increase the total Go store count to 364 by year-end 2022, 429 total stores, if including other formats such as Silver, P&J Art, and CAO Fine, to bounce back from a low 2020 forecast base. Gross profit. We project gold jewelry retail GPM will improve more by 50 PPS back by a better product mix, larger contributions from premium gemstone and diamond jewelry, and economies of scale. Selling expensive. We project selling expense as percent of retail sales to decline by 1 ppt to 14.9% in 2022, thanks to operating leverage. G&A expenses. We project G&A expenses as percent of retail sales to decline by 50 BPS to 4.6% in 2022, thanks to operating leverage. Major revisions of our 2021 forecast to 2023 F forecasts. Note two major revisions to our 2021 F to 2023 F forecasts. Okay, we have some second to look at the table. Our projection for retail revenue decrease because we anticipate COVID-19 disruptions will severely undermine store operations in H2 2021, have prolonged adverse impact on consumer discretionary pending in 2022 to 2023, which will result in recoveries in both retail sales in GPM and temporarily deter P&J store expansion plan. Our SG&A retail revenue forecast step up due to lower projected revenue per store, as we can see here. Okay, valuation. We value P&J using 5-year DCF model, which is best suited to capture the company's long-term growth potential in our view. In addition, in order to factor in dilution impact of P&J's ESOP issuances from the perspective of an existing shareholder, we assign our project FCFE with weighting that reflects a cumulative dilution. Projected future ESOP assurances. Figure 6. Okay, please see on the screen. We will see the table of FCF evaluation. With the cost of equity is 12.5%, risk-free rate 2.6%, and market risk premium 9.9%. Beta is 1. The same, but have some change in net income forecast. So the new value per share is 105,000 Vietnam dong. And we can see the figure 7. Sensitivity analysis of our target price P&J in relation to cost of equity and terminal growth rate, ceteris paribus. Cost of equity if 12.5%, if 11.5%, the price will be 123,000 Vietnam dong. Okay. And the figure 8, comparable peer for P&J. We can see some other company in the same industry. For example, Titan Co. Of India, Chow Tai Fook of Hong Kong, Lao Feng Xiang, China, and Look Fook, Hong Kong, Chow Shang Shang, Hong Kong, with the ROE, return on equity. So we can see the P&J have the higher of return on equity rate. Okay, now we move. That's all for our new update for P&J with equity analysis. Now we move to the technical analysis for P&J. We will see the movement of the price of P&J. As you can see, P&J from 2015 to 2021. This is history of P&J. Okay. We move to this. This is our application for investor who would like to research the price movement and technical analysis. The P&J list on the, Vietnam stock market since 2009, and till now is attend in Vietnam stock market for 12 years. And we can see the lowest price is minus 4,100 Vietnam dong in 2010. Until now, P&J show that P&J is growth company, growth the price. And till now, I still respect P&J with the history of the price movement. There are a lot of reason for P&J to fall from 100,000 dong to 51,000 dong in 2018. But after that, P&J the price move climb to the highest area to 86,000 dong. And then when COVID-19 happened, P&J fall down like other stock in the market in whole over the world. Yeah, from US market, Japan market, and Euro market, and Singapore, Hong Kong, Korea. All the stock fall down, and P&J the same react the same after COVID-19 happened. And then we can see now P&J almost climb to the highest area and pick the highest in pick the highest point in 2019. A climb to new highest point is 109,000 Vietnam dong per share. So that I think this in this time, P&J will accumulate the price from 99 to 86,000 Vietnam dong accumulate here before create new high in the future. Yeah, and if you see the volume since 2009 till now, the volume is so different with the bigger volume trade per day. So that is good point for P&J. Yeah. For another view. Oh. Yes. We can see this the movement price P&J like it could like accumulate here from 99% and 99,000 to 87.5 thousand Vietnam dong per share accumulate here before climb to more higher, maybe 130%, 130,000 Vietnam dong in the future, maybe next year. After COVID-19 almost control in Vietnam by vaccine or something else. Okay, so I think P&J is great company. We can invest for long term. Yeah, it's really good for invest for long term view, and we can accumulate every month to increase quantitative the volume of P&J. Yeah. This show that P&J is great company when there many times they climb to the highest area again and discover new high of the price. That why I really respect for P&J, for the P&J history and what they do now. I still see the bright future for P&J and P&J prime movement. Yeah. Okay, so that is end of my point of view for P&J. I hope you have more information to make decision to invest in P&J. Yeah. If you want to invest in Vietnam stock market with the legal trading account, please connect to me, Areca, with this email and mobile phone. Yeah, okay, thank you. See you in next video.